Hello, my name is Edwin Chavez, and my teacher name is Lidia Robelo Cruz. Today, I am going to talk about my daily routine. I usually wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Then I go to the gym at 4:30 p.m. I always take a shower after my workout. After that, I go to the university at 7 a.m. When I finish my classes, I always go to work at 11 a.m. In the afternoon, I finish my work shift and leave at 5 p.m. In the evening, I usually go to church. Later at night, I usually go to sleep at 11 p.m. Thanks.